Hey, imagine only using one hand.
One hand?
Right now. Imagine.
Like normal fishing.
No.
The only people in the world right now that have to do this right now.
We got you. Take over. Take over. You got it. Hell yeah. High five. Heck yeah.
No way.
Let's go, Tara! Was ist guten Tag?
And we
There we
need
go.
one for the feet too. So
Oh, you want the feet too?
You
Spoiled,
want a
dude.
pedal?
Y'all spoiled her.
First time fishing, she's like, where's my gun?
Good, yeah? Now you guys, so we started way out there at that rig. See it way out there? Number 2 on! Girls, get up!
Come on. Double.
Jay, get up here!
Double.
Double! All right, that never happened before. Not in this group. Yeah.
Real faster. Faster, faster.
He's like, I've only got one hand. Let's go, reel! We might need some help. He's an old man.
Look at this double-handed, it's so easy. No, it's possible. All right, you know what? I'm here for the foot pedestal too. Double, baby.
Yeah, they're fighting. We're at war, girls.
All
We're
right,
at war,
who's
ladies.
next?
Come on, Tara.
Come on, muscles.
Oh, look at Bill over there. Bill, I bet you wish you were left-handed right now. Oh, Billy. Oh, Billy. They're going to be like, why didn't we sign up for this? Oh, you want to get on this? Yeah. Oh, I'm good. How about you, boss lady? Well, they're both about to
Hey, I'm not a lucky charmer. It's my birthday. I can do what I want.
This is your vacay. Photo, where's our crew at? Tara, get over here. Tara, get over here. Here. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Yes, Jay. Ready?
everyone look. Perfect, perfect, beautiful.
Oh, look, they're husband and wife. Look, I
Best birthday.
Got him! Yeah, you too. Thank you. Thank you guys.
Really cool. Thank you.
Happy birthday, Chris.
My arms don't work that way no more.
It was a great birthday.
Great birthday.